Hello, welcome back. So the file is link in bio. So once you cut everything out, make sure you have all the glue and materials that I mentioned. Also, you will be clipping some parts, so I recommend you have, I don't know if you can see in the little right corner, the heart ones. They're little like clothespins. You can find these at Dollar Tree, but paper clips can also work. So make sure first, before you start gluing, you bend the scores down. So then you will also glue this one side. Make sure everything's even when you do decide to glue it. You press it down. This glue is very manageable, so you can move it back and forth. Make sure that they are facing the same direction also. The next piece is the top, so make sure you glue your acetate if you're going to use that clear part right there in that square. And it's the thinnest one. There's two that are kind of the same length. One is thicker than the other one. The thinnest one goes over. And as you fold this, it doesn't matter how you fold. Make sure it goes all in one direction. That's what I like to do. And then as you finish folding, you're going to measure it in the box, and you're going to see what I do right now. And then you're going to correct the direction. So the top, the one that's closest to the window, goes right on top. See how I have to bend that a certain way? That way it looks like an L shape. So go ahead and do that. And once that you see that all your bendings are correct, then go ahead and apply your glue. Again, you're using this 3-in-1 beacon glue. If you use the hot glue gun, it's not going to help you manage the pieces. I highly recommend this glue. You can find it at Michael's. I do have an Amazon link down below, but it's basically in any craft store. So see how I'm going to first go one side by the other. I'm going to the top, line up my side. Same goes to the other side. And once that's lined up, I'm going to clip that right in. See? Then I'm going to move down to the second line and make sure it's even. It's designed to be even. Not one side should be more upper than the other one, if that makes any sense. And you'll see, I'll show you kind of, that's why I'm struggling. I'm trying to show you in the camera. And you're going one by one. Those ends go inside. And once you put those ends, everything starts getting even. And you'll see on the side how one was a little more out than the other. And I just push it in. And that's the beauty of this glue. For the last piece, I already glued the acetate, as you can see. Just bend everything. That's going to go right in as a puzzle piece. And then apply your glue, and it's as easy as that. This piece is completely optional. Not this one, this is the trunk. But the one that goes in the middle, the one with the 3 lines, you don't have to put it in. It just really depends if you want to put that extra detail. But if you're going to be making a lot of these, I don't really think they mind if you have it or not. But your personal business, you decide if you want to put it or not. Other than that, that is all you need to know on how to build this fun box. If you have any questions, send me a message, leave me a comment. If you have any requests for anything you have in mind that you would like me to design, go ahead and leave it down below. Thank you guys for watching and supporting me, and I hope I design a lot more this time around. Thank you.